Hi guys, just a short clip of my solar snowman. This little guy I modified several years ago. I say modified, all I did was took the solar panel out and directly wired him through his circuit board to a battery, and he runs for ages, months, on a dead AA battery. And I'm just going to show how dead this one is. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. But that one's so corroded it's burst out through the side of the plastic wrapping. So I've no idea what voltage that's actually producing or what current. But he's happy just to sit there and rock slowly from whatever power that is producing. I don't want to take it out to actually put a meter across it to see what current it's generating, because as soon as I do that it'll probably fall apart. But whatever it's doing, it's still generating enough power for him, with his layer of dust on his hat and no insides. Just an extra thought, I don't know whether the sunlight shining on the battery there is actually encouraging it to produce some current. Not that there's very much sunlight out there anyway, but it does sit in the window here. I was just editing the footage and I had a thought. I wonder if it is the sunlight warming the battery, causing it to generate a bit more current. I put a meter on it for voltage. I don't dare take it apart to try and get current, but voltage between pulses it goes up to 0.63 of a volt, which is enough to keep him running. It draws current into the capacitor there and then discharges through him, so the voltage reading across there goes up and down below 0.5 something and up to 0.63, and when it's 0.63 that's when he well, that's enough to keep him running. Anyway, I did wonder if I shine a light on there to heat it up. I've got a halogen bulb, and see if that will generate any more movement. So, halogen bulb to warm up the battery. I reckon that's what it is. He's definitely rocking a bit more now. Oh yes. Yeah, I reckon the heat on the sunlight on the battery warmed it up. Yeah, he's nearly died now. That's what it is. It was the sunlight on the battery generated a bit more power. Or at least that's my theory. So it was in the window here, sunlight on the battery warmed it up a bit, and that was enough to generate a bit of extra power and get him rocking. Well, there you go. You made it all the way to the end of another one of my videos. If you want more information, there'll be stuff down there in the video description. If you actually liked that video, you might find this one up here interesting too. And if you like both of them, you might want to subscribe over here. Thanks very much for watching. It's much appreciated.